Alright, we'll put this cover on.
Okay.
Right, you want to go through the other side?
Ooh.
I need to put some more Velcro tabs on this to hold it in place better.
Mum's yelling at Isla. She's done something.
Hey?
Mum's yelling at Isla. She's done something.
Should be a bit of a scab. Look at that scabby body.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll do. It's not great, but it will do. The seat gets pushed up against it anyway. Whereas we can, that's the most important one, so we can still get to the compressor. Okay. Job done. So all these tools that you lined up neatly here need to come out of the way. I'll chuck the seat up there.
I did it from biggest to smallest.
You can bolt it down. Do you reckon you can grab the seat for me?
I can try. How heavy is it?
Too heavy for you.
Let me try it.
You can try. Oh, well done, muscles.
What are you talking about? Too heavy?
Alright, now you got to get up in the back of the car.
Yeah, this is as high as I can get it up.
Yeah. Alright, put it down.
I'm holding it from there.
You did well, actually. Okay. Muscles. Alright, let's go have some lunch. And then we'll bolt this in. Let's just get out of the way. Alright. Actually, let's get it out of the way so we can close the car up.
This is our progress so far. I think we're doing pretty good. I'm very proud. Because half of this was done by me. That's right.
You have.
Yeah.
You've done well. Done a good job. Thanks for helping.